Okay, so we shall look at the vena caliper. So we have got the first question, which says, what is the reading? What is the reading on the vena caliper? So we want to determine the reading which is on the vena caliper. So what you are supposed to grasp when determining the reading, number one, you have to add both reading of the main scale and the vena scale. You add the reading on the vena scale and main scale. So the main scale is the reading which is on top. So now, how do you get the reading on the main scale? So we get the reading on the main scale by following this reading which is just before the vena scale. So the vena scale starts here. So the vena scale is the one down here. So the vena scale starts here. So the reading which is before this line is this. So this is the reading which is on the main scale. Now, when counting the reading which is on top on the main scale, according to this instrument, they are using 1 unit to represent 0.1. For example, if we start with 3 here, we can see to say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So meaning that 1 unit represents 0.1. Now to come backward here, it means if this is 3, this one can represent 2.9, 2.8, 2.7. So this reading which is before the vena scale is 2.7. So we can say the main scale reading, it is equal to, the main scale reading it is equal to 2.7. Then if you want, you can also add 0. Then we come to the reading on the vena scale. So the vena scale is the one which is down here. So we get the reading of the vena scale where the main scale and the vena scale are connected. So both readings is connected here. Now, if we can see clearly, we can say, okay, since we have 5 here, we can observe to say, okay, from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 5, we have 5 units. So they are counting using 1 unit representing 1 unit. So 1 unit represents 1 unit. So in this case, we can say if this is 1, 2, 3. Line where both the vena scale and the main scale is connected represents 3. Now, when you get that 3, you have to multiply it with 0.1 so that you get 0.03 millimeters. So the reading which is down here representing the vena scale, that is 0.03. 0.03. So this is the vena scale reading. Vena scale reading. Main scale reading, vena scale reading. Then when we have this and this, we have 3, this and this is 7, then you put a point, this and this, we have 2. Then we say millimeters. So in general, the reading which is on this instrument, it is 2.73 millimeters, because it is in millimeters here. Okay, let's proceed to question 2. So question 2, it says, what physical quantity does the instrument measure? What physical quantity does the instrument measure? So this instrument called the vena caliper, it measures the diameter or the length of an object. So we can say it measures length. You can just put to say it measures length. That's all. The last one, it says, what precautions taken before using the instrument? What precautions are you supposed to undertake before using this instrument? So the first precaution that you are supposed to undertake, number 1, you can say you have to zero the instrument the instrument always will be at static, meaning at 0. Number 2, you can also lubricate. You can also lubricate the instrument. Lubricate the instrument so that it can move well. So you lubricate the moving parts of the instrument. Then number 3, you can also say that the third precaution, you can also avoid. You can also avoid dropping. Avoid dropping the instrument. Reason, when you drop the instrument, it loses its accuracy. Then the last one, you can also clean the instrument by using a dry cloth. You can dust the instrument or clean the instrument by using a dry cloth. So this is about the vernier caliper. Thank you very much.